Here we have a satellite view of Arima Hot Spring on Arima Mountain. You can really see that it is on a mountain top. And we are staying at Gosho Besho here. And you can see that it is actually kind of bloody expensive. And from here, we are walking down the streets. It only takes about 5 minutes actually. 5-8 minutes to get here to the main attraction area. And there are two main attractions that you're supposed to see. Kin no Yu, the golden hot spring, and Gin no Yu, the silver one. I think, see here, the waters are whitish, and I suppose this one has brown waters. And now let's go chase for the gold one. It is actually this one, a day spa, not a hotel. And it has the foot bath that was not so crowded right now. Actually, we've just passed by before. This is one of the main places that you are supposed to visit. The sad thing is that I cannot film video inside hot springs, especially if there are other customers, so we are not going inside. An ancient hot spring enriched with minerals and golden colored water. That basically looks like this. Oh wow! Look, I was walking on top of this. Hot steam is coming out. So I was for a moment like, am I getting grilled or what? This must look so beautiful in the morning, probably when the smoke comes out through all these holes. And then here we have a wide view over the city, over a part of the city. See all these streets that we were walking through. Wow. And this here connects to over there, so you can go higher and higher. And then smoke. I see smoke. Where is it? I see smoke over here. And that's another chimney. Basically everyone has a chimney. Wow, so lovely. All the side streets, narrow pathways, and this rust color from the hot spring waters. Here's again that guy. Wow, look where we got. See, the rust color from the hot spring is everywhere. And so now we have two pathways. It's like in a game. Which one shall we go? Smoke, see? This is what I meant. See here, the smoke is coming out. It's really hot. Not dangerously hot, but hot. Wow. Look where we got out to. Something. Small shrine and ja-jan. What is this? Actually, this is another must-see attraction in town. This is the source of the Gosho hot spring. Look at it. From here, it's being distributed throughout the town, and we get to take a selfie with it. There is a door, so I propose we get down. Out, out, out. What an epic sight. See, when you're a paparazzi like me, the more you walk, the more you will find amazing things. I suppose, but I'm not sure. But maybe inside here you can open it and cook something, like put your potatoes or, you know, steam meat and have them steamed. So I suppose this is something like that for cooking stuff. And it fascinates me. So epic, like from some Hayao Miyazaki anime film. Look here, the hot smoke coming out. But then these plants are kind of okay with it. Impressive. There's a door. It says, danger, do not enter. Dun, dun. Are we bad? I'm bad, but you know me. Yes, selfie time with this amazing hot, dangerous object. Let's do this. Okay, selfie's done. Let's run, escape, and go to the next. Ouch. Yes, nobody knows. Ooh, smoke. See? This is gonna make you young and fresh. Oh look, what a cute little thingy. Because the streets are kind of narrow, so possibly 2 cars cannot pass by. Beautiful. Where to go next? We could go here, or there, or here. There is even aromatherapy. Anything antique and modern is here. Kimonos, you can actually rent them, and it's just like $20. Now it's not open, but that's so nice. See, you can choose what kimono you wear. I'm so happy to wear my yukata. And I was chasing for something else, but look how lucky you are when you're a paparazzi like me. And let's see me in the mirror. What we got to see, this amazing temple shrine here. And other very elegant looking hotels. A view down the city. But yeah, let's check it. So nice. We even get to see the local deities and more lilies. Actually, it's first time to see something like this at the entrance of a temple. And since we skipped the Daibutsu in Nara, we get to see here one that is as golden and as cool. How beautiful. And so you're supposed to toss a coin in here and make a ring to the gods because they don't know you're here. So now they know. And now you make your prayer because they're gonna listen. Look, the nice garden. Beautiful Arima hot spring. Look. And there is one more over here. Such nice, see these traditional type of windows that have such a special shape?